Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about if-else statement in JavaScript. If-else is used when we want our program to make decisions based on the conditions. To understand this better, we'll create a simple example that checks whether a person is eligible to vote or not. So with our very first step, we are going to create a function with the help of the keyword called function, name our function as vote, and complete the syntax. Here, we are going to pass a parameter called age, which is going to be dynamic. Inside of this, we'll start with if-else condition. So our condition would be if a person's age is more than or equals to 18, they are eligible to vote. So the condition is going to check if the age is greater than equals to 18, then that person is eligible to vote. And the other condition would be else condition. In this condition, simply that person will be considered as under the age of 18 and they will not be able to vote. So when I call this function with an age like 20 and try to run this file, we get eligible to vote. Else, if the age is less than 18, we get ineligible to vote. And that is how if-else condition works in JavaScript. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more coding tutorials. Thank you for watching.